We are going to learn how to add the cents to make $1 and then add the dollars. Mom buys a jug of laundry detergent for $9.15. She also buys a bottle of fabric softener for $3.85. How much does she spend in all? So just like the last lesson, we are going to take our money amount, write it out with our addition sign and our equal sign, but we're going to separate them using number bonds again. Okay, so when I separate $9.15, making a number bond, there's my line, and my first one is $9. My second number is going to be the cents, 15 cents. And we always write the cents on the right side. When you put money together, you are just going to use if there's dollars, you're just going to use the dollar sign in front. You will not use both of them. The next amount is $3.85. So I'm going to make my line and make my number bond of $3. I put my dollar sign in front. And then my other number bond of my cents, 85 cents. From the last way, we are actually going to start with the cents first to make a dollar. So step 1, add the cents to make a dollar. 15 cents plus 85 cents. If you can't do that in your head, I always like to use my white space and write it in column version, going up and down. So I'm going to start with my big number first. You don't have to when you're adding. Now remember, it's cents, so there's that decimal point. It's on the left-hand side of both of those numbers, okay? We're just adding the cents, so I'm not even going to put my dollars in there quite yet. 5 plus 5 is 10. I can't put 10 in one place value, so I'm going to regroup my 10 up here in the tens, and then my 0 is going to stay back in the ones. Add my tens, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to regroup my 1. Now it's getting into the dollars. There's a 0 here. I'm going to bring my decimal point down, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. Now I have exactly $1. 85 cents plus 15 cents is $1. So 15 cents plus 85 cents is $1. Step 2, add the dollars. So I'm going to take my $9, my $3, go back to my number bonds, and now I have one more dollar I'm going to add in. So that looks like this, 9 plus 3 plus 1. If you can't do it in your head, show the work on the side. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 3 more is 13. I'm going to regroup my 1. Keep my 3 below. I can't have 13 in one place value, so I'm going to regroup my 10 up here and keep my 3 ones there. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So 9 plus 3 plus 1 is $13. Mom spends $13 in all. Okay, so let's try that. We're going to add the cents to make a dollar and then add the dollars together. I'm going to first start with my number bonds. $6.45. I'm going to separate my $6 from my 45 cents. And $3.55, I'm going to separate my $3 and my 55 cents. So add your cents first to make a dollar. So I'm going to take my 45 plus my 55. I'm going to put it like this right away because I know I can't, math is hard to do in my head, so I'm going to make it the column version way, so in case I have to regroup. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to regroup my 1. Leave my 0 behind because I can't put 10 in one place value. 4 plus 1 more is 5, and 5 and 5 is 10. I'm going to regroup my 1. Now remember, this is cents, so there's my decimal point. I'm going to bring that down, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So I have $1 with my cents. Now the second step is to add my dollars. So I'm going to go back to my number bond, and I have $6 plus $3 plus the $1 that I just made using my cents. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 more, is $10. So this is adding the cents to make $1 and then taking that dollar amount and putting it into adding up all of our dollars. Okay? I would like you to try one on your own. Make sure you have white paper, and you are going to try this problem on your own. Remember to start with your number bonds, write your equation, and then separate your dollars and your cents. Once you are done separating your dollars and cents, this version, you're going to start with your cents first. Add your cents to make $1. Once you're done adding your cents to make that $1, then you can go back in, and your second step is add your dollars. Don't forget to add in that extra $1 that was made with your 2 amounts of your cents. And then show your new amount. When you're done, come and check the answer key. The answer key should look very similar to what your answer wrote down, showing how you separated your dollars from your cents using the number bonds, and then getting your complete answer at the end. After that, I'm going to have you work on your workbook pages. That's going to include the first lesson, which is add your dollars, add your cents, put your dollars and cents together, and then the second video, which is add your cents to make $1 and put all your dollars together. So two lessons today that your workbook page is going to go over. So make sure you know what to do next once you've checked number 15 on the answer key.